So areas related to circles. First of all, what is mean by area? Do you know? एरिया बोले तो क्या है? What is mean by area? The region bounded by any closed figure. The region bounded by any closed figure. If you are taking a closed figure, suppose it may be any shape. So closed figure. So इसमें अंदर what is the region is there, that is called as a area. Areas usually will be measured in square units. Suppose centimeters if you are taking into consider square centimeter. Okay, so square centimeter means that is nothing but इसके अंदर कितना small squares like this. Here one centimeter square. Centimeter if you are, this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So how many squares are there? That's why that many squares. That's why suppose if it is exactly fitting this 100, this means 100 centimeters square, we are going to say the area. So areas will be always mentioned in a square units. Square units we are going to mention. Okay. So now first thing here you need to know that before going to learn the areas related to circles, first thing is circumference of the circle formula you know. Circumference of circle. So what is circumference of circle formula? And area of circle formula. These basic things. Area of the circle. Circumference of the circle is equals to anyone? Can you hear me? Hello? Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is circumference of the circle formula?
2 pi r.
Yes. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r units. Or you can say pi d units. D is nothing but length of the diameter. Okay. So area of the circle formula pi r square units. So here whenever you take into consider circumference of the circle, what is meant by pi here? Pi बोले तो क्या है इसमें? And what is the story behind the pi? Yes, tell me.
Sir, I know a
Circumference and diameter.
What? Once again. Pi. Pi is equals to क्या है? Pi is actually how the pi value is. Pi is rational or irrational? Pi is a rational or irrational number? Pi is a rational or irrational? No one knows. Huh?
Irrational.
Pi is not rational, beta. Pi is irrational.
Irrational.
Why you are saying pi value approximately will be taken as 22/7, but this is not exact value of the pi. 22/7 is approximate value of the pi. 22/7 को हम लोग rational number बोलते हैं. 22/7 is a rational number and pi is irrational number. It is irrational number. So please do remember. And ये दोनों को equal लेते हैं. Why? Because approximate value. So pi is the rational number. 22/7 is a rational, because rational is nothing but the number which can be written in the form of the p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Something by another number if you write. So it is called as a rational number. So this is a basic thing. And pi value, how it is taken into consideration means pi is the ratio of the circumference of the circle. Ratio of the circumference of the circle by diameter. Circumference pi. The circumference of the circle by diameter. C by D. Pi value. C by D. Why? Because pi value, whenever you take, you try to draw the circle with the any bangle or any circular object and find out the place a thread along that circle and find out the radius of that circle. Sir, how do we find out the radius? In the circles chapter you have learned, if you don't know the circle center also you can find out the radius of the circle. Center you can find out. Center find out कर लिया तो radius आ जाएगा. Radius आ जाए तो diameter आ जाएगा. So like that, you draw the different sizes of circles. एक circle. इसका circumference find out करो. इसका circumference using formula नहीं. You place the thread along this one. ये circular object की through एक thread place करो and इसको expand करके measure करो. That circumference. And इसका diameter find out करो. Center we don't know. Center find out करना है. Center find out करने के लिए this method. Do you know? In the circles chapter you have learned that you have to use. So then after center आने के बाद center के through diameter draw करो. Length of the diameter आएगा C by D. Like this, you take another circle for the C by D find out करो. You take another circle for the C by D find out करो. This C by D, this C by D, this C by D. For the different sizes of the circles, you are going to get a some constant number. Whatever it may be done. So the ratio is here constant and this ratio is taken as a pi. Pi is defined as a circumference of the circle by diameter. Sir, here also you are writing some number by other number. P by Q form. So pi can be said as a rational number. Now you may get out. But here this circumference is not a rational number because we are not able to find out the circumference exactly. So that's why we call it as a irrational number. इसको irrational number बोलते हैं. Okay. So now let us base it on this. This is the story behind the pi. Pi value how it is taken and pi is a rational number or irrational number. Pi value is circumference of the circle by diameter. Based on this, mostly we are going to have the first exercise problems. Exercise 12.1 देखो very simple problems are there. So nothing else here. The first question is given to you. The radius of the two circles are 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters. You can consider the capital R is equals to 19 centimeters. And small r is equals to 9 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has a circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Find the radius of the circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. ये दोनों circles का. So what we need to find out the radius, circle radius, you consider it as a R1. The radius of the circle which we need to find as R1. So circumference of the circle 2 pi R1 is equals to 2 pi R plus 2 pi R. So इसमें 2 pi R1 is equals to 2 pi common है, R plus R हो जाएगा. 2 pi will get cancelled. R1 is equals to 90 plus 9 हो जाएगा. 90 plus 9 is equals to 28. So the radius of the circle is 28. Next one, area is given to you. So next question में क्या दिया है? Same model question, but here circumference is taken into consider. Next में it is given to you the area is taken into consider. So area में 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters is given to you. So what do you get here? Capital R is equals to 8 centimeters, small r is equals to 6 centimeters. Same, let the radius of the circle R1. So pi R1 square is equals to pi capital R square plus pi small r square. So here pi you take the common, pi R1 square. R square plus R square आ जाएगा. So pi will get cancelled. R1 square is equals to 8 square plus 6 square. So 64 plus 36, which is equals to 100, which is equals to 10 square. So the radius of the circle is 10 centimeters. समझ में आया? Simple problems, guys, but not complicated here. Okay? Just I'll explain your third one. Third one is problem is lengthy, but it is not complicated. Third one. So the question is given to you. In the figure 12.3 depicts an archery target marked with the 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as a gold, red, blue, black, white. The diameter of the region is representing the goal score is 21. So the circles are given to you like this. All these are concentric circles. Here it is, this is gold. This part, only this part is red. This is red. Next, blue, black, and another one, white. Radius of the gold part is 21 centimeters. And asking you to find out the area of which 5 scoring regions. एक scoring region का area find out करना है. So here given radius of red region, isn't it? What is given to you? The diameter is given to you. Diameter of the region representing the gold score. So let us write. Diameter is given. Diameter only let us write. Given diameter of the region representing gold is equals to 21 centimeters. Therefore, radius is equals to 21 by 2 centimeters. And area find out karo. Width is given to you. The band width is 10.5. This is 10.5. 10.5 is nothing but this is also 10.5 only. 21 by 2. So every time 21 by 2, you should go on adding to get the new radius. Okay? So the area of the gold region. Gold don't write. Gold का area नहीं होता है. Gold region का area होता है. Is equals to pi r square. So which is equals to pi value 22 by 7 and r square is nothing but 21 by 2. 21 by 2. इसको simplify करो. Whatever the area you will get, you write it centimeter square. And if you want to find out the red region area, so area of the first one, every area you need to find out. Area of red region. Red region is equals to this area of this complete circle. Pi capital R. Capital R is nothing but here A R square. A 21 by 2. This is 21 by 2. Width is 10.5 given now. 10.5 to 10.5 add karo. The radius you are going to get in that case 21 you are going to get. 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2. 10.5 plus 10.5. 21 you are going to get. So here to here radius is this complete inside complete area is 21 by r square minus area of this one red region. So if you want you can write pi 21 by 2 whole square. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं पाई 21 स्क्वायर माइनस 21 by 2 स्क्वायर. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. रेड रीजन आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट एरिया ऑफ द ब्लू रीजन. Area of the blue region. So again 10.5 to be added to this one. 21 by 2, 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2. Again 21 by 2. So from this completely, this area should be subtracted. 21 by 2. A area should be subtracted. So 3 times 21 by 2 means 3 into 21 by 2 you are looking. So pi into 3 into 21 by 2. Whole square. Or you can write, if you are getting confused with this, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 3 times 10.5. So pi into 3 into 10.5 whole square. Yeah, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5. Okay, minus pi into 2 into 10.5. So 21 square. Here 21 square we can. So इसको value find out करो. If you are need to find out here 3 into 10.5 value. And a square minus b square formula apply karo. A minus b, b plus b, the value you are going to get in easiest way. Here also if you want you can take 21 square minus 10.5 square. So like this every region area you need to find out. समझ में आया? Problem is lengthy है but not complicated one. Okay? So fourth problem is little bit different problem. You find out these areas. You can find out, it's not difficult to do. Okay? Next. Fourth one. Fourth question. So what is the question given? The wheels of the car of the diameter 80 centimeters each. How many complete revolution does each wheel makes in 10 minutes? A wheel is rolling. It is rolling. So suppose like this. So when it is rolling like this, how in 10 minutes, when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometers per hour. Here diameter is given to you in centimeters. Diameter is given to you in centimeters and radius will be given to you in centimeters. And revolution in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, how much distance will it cover? Total distance covered by the 10 minutes. कितना distance cover? ये एक बार revolution कर दिया तो one circumference हो जाएगा. One time if it is rotated, one circumference हो जाएगा. Circumference of the circle. So now the question is how many complete revolutions is nothing but circumference of the circle if you divide by the total distance. Total distance को circumference of the circle से divide कर लिया तो then you are going to get the number of revolutions. One revolution is equals to one circumference. Number of revolutions is equals to distance covered by circumference. Okay, so given. But here we should be very careful that units very important. The speed is given to you in 66 kilometers per hour and meters per second में convert करना है and 60 minutes में दे दिया है 80 centimeters में everything is given in different units. So you should convert either everything into the same units. So better you convert the everything into the meters per second. Seconds में 10 minutes को second में convert करो. And so the distance you are going to get and diameter 80 centimeters को meters में convert करो. Everything convert in meters and seconds. So that the problem becomes easy in this. Okay. So given diameter is of wheel is equals to 80 centimeters. Therefore, radius is 40 centimeters. This 40 centimeters you write as a meters. So how do you write as a meters? 40 by 100 meters. So 0 will become 0.4 meters is the radius. Okay, circumference first find out. Circumference of circle is equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi into 0.4. So 0.8 pi meters. Okay, one revolution is equals to one circumference. So this point number. So number of revolutions is equals to distance covered how much distance? Distance covered by circumference. So first, what do you find out here? How much distance? Speed of the car is given to you 66 kilometers per hour. So kilometers per hour meters per second में convert करना है. So how do you convert kilometers per hour to meters per second? You have to divide it by, multiply by, हाँ, kilometers hours per second में convert करना है तो 5 by 18 से divide करना है. Do you remember? Why 5 by 18? 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1000 meters divided by 1 hour is equals to how many seconds? 60. 5 by 18 you are going to get. So 5 by 18 से multiply कर लिया तो then you are going to get it is meters per second. Okay? So now 18, 6 3s are 6 11s are. We are going to get 55 by 3 meters per second. So time is given to you. How much time? 10 minutes. 10 minutes is seconds में convert करा. 1 minute is equals to 60. So 600 seconds. So distance is equals to distance travel is equals to distance formula क्या है? Speed into time. Speed into time. Speed कितना है? 55 by 3. Time कितना है? 600. 3 होगा 3 200. 55 2s are 110. And the 2 zeros. This is what? Meters. 11,000 meters distance is traveled. So now here number of revolutions is equals to distance covered 10,000 per 11,000 meters divided by circumference. Circumference is 0.8 pi. Pi value is 22 by 7. Here the question is given to you. If it is not mentioned, you need to take into 22 by 7. Pi value to be taken as a 22 by 7. Is everything understood? Is anything wrong? It is there. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So now what we have to do here? 0.8. If you decimal point इधर से हटा दिया तो इधर 1 more 10 आ जाएगा. 8 11 ones are 11 twos are. Okay, 1000 है. 8 से कैंसिल कर लिया तो 125 आएगा. 125 8s are 1000. That these things you have to remember. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So we are going to get 125 into 7 5s are 35. ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करना. The number of revolutions we are going to get it. समझ में आया? Is it okay? Next, let's go to the fifth problem. Fifth problem is very simple here. Pick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal. ये problem fourth problem तो समझ में आया ना? इसमें कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है ना? Anyone, if you have any note, please ask.
नहीं है सर.
Very good. Simplification, just a multiplication part I am giving to you as a demo that you have to do it. You can do it. So main concept how to solve it I am saying to you. Okay? Fifth one. So the question is given to you. Correct answer. perimeter of the area and the area of the circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is numerically equal means number whatever you get that is equal. Then asking to you to radius of that is nothing but 2 pi r is equal to pi r square. Pi will get cancelled and r square to r cancel. R is equals to 2 r. Simple. That means radius you take 2 units. Any 2 units you take. Pi r square. What do you get? 4 pi square units area. 2 pi r. R is number. ये भी 4 pi r. देखो numerically equal means number, but units are different. ये area को square units, perimeter को units लिखते हैं. So that's why it is said numerically equal. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So this is about the